Hello everyone friends on the Velour channel. Today I'll show you how to access, download and install Rocket League community maps from Epic Games. To do this, open any browser, type in Backismod here. Go in, click on the first link. Click download now. You'll see an archive downloading here. This file will be in the archive. We open it, click yes, click next, install. Then click no and click finish. Click yes here, it's mandatory. After that, return to the site. Here, click plugins and click on map. Click search. Here we need Workshop Map Loader and Downloader. Go in and click install Backismod. If this doesn't work for you, you'll need to install it manually. To do this, click here and click download files. Another archive is downloading, which I'll unpack to the desktop. Here we have two files. Click on the files and open, click the file location. Next, go to data and put everything with the data here. Click move, then close. Go back, enter plugins, go here and drop this folder here. After that, you can delete and close it. Next, go back to Files, open the folder and create a folder for our maps. Next, we need to copy this path and enter Rocket League. In the league, press F2, click Plugins, and here we'll need our plugin. Which didn't open for me for some reason, but it does open. Here we open Plugin Manager, click Workshop Map Loader and close it. Open Workshop Map Loader, click Open Plugin Windows. Then click OK. Here we paste the path we copied and add a backslash. Click Save Path. There, now there's just a little bit left to do. Click on Search Maps. Click Search or find any map you want. Click Download Map. Choose Release. Click Yes. The download begins. Then go to Map Loader. I got kicked out, the command shell opened. Go to Map Loader, click Update Maps, then Download and you can play. This was Velour. Hit like and subscribe to the channel. Have a good life everyone. Good luck to all. Goodbye everyone.